Hello everyone. In this video I want to introduce to you a project that I'm working on. So this is only a prototype, as you can see the IDE in the background, but eventually it's going to be a desktop app. And this app is serving people who don't have technical knowledge but want to do some data analysis for very sensitive data. So let's say you have an Excel sheet and you don't want to share it like with the internet. Um, then this is the perfect app for you if you want to do some analysis. So this app um, is an AI. It has a large language model, but it's only running locally, so it doesn't send any information to the internet like um, cloud models like ChatGPT and others. And yeah, this app is maybe the has the perfect use case for medical students or doctors who are working with uh, sensitive data like patient data, and they don't have the technical background. So hopefully this app is going to serve them. Okay, now I'm going to go through a small demo to show you how to use this app. So yeah, as you can see here from the UI, you have to drag and drop your file. I have here like some data, some mock data. Um, let's, for example, drag and drop this one. And yeah, maybe I should show you what's the content of it. So yeah, a very small medical data set with the dose, tumor reduction, weight. And let's say that we want to analyze the correlation between um, between dose and tumor reduction. And this is basically everything what the user have to do. Just describe the graph or the diagram that he want to have, and then the AI should hopefully do the job for him. Um, it has taken a while because everything is happening locally. If you have a NVIDIA GPU or a MacBook, it's supposed to be faster. I'm going to skip this part so that the video is not that long. Okay, now the agent is done, and here we can see the plot that we asked for. Um, yeah, showing in a plot the correlation between the two parameters. And if we want to have a higher resolution, here we can have it. Yeah, so obviously this is not that difficult of a task, but the goal is to guide the agent to do more sophisticated analysis, like classifications and more. So in this part, I want to explain at a high level how the app is working. So as we did, we uploaded a file and give a prompt to the AI. Yeah, it got received by the front end, and then this information will be sent to the backend, the LLM, the local LLM that we have. And this LLM has a tool called Python compiler. So it is a tool to help the LLM compile the code that is generated. And the LLM is guided uh, through every step. So everything is happening in the background. The user is not aware of it, but the LLM is being instructed to first read the file to check which data types we have, which columns, and then um, generate a code to to get this information. And then when we have that back, then the LLM is instructed to generate the code for visualizing the graph that the user asked for. And this is happening in a loop, like between the Python compiler, the tool, and the LLM. And if the LLM happened to generate some wrong code, then the compiler will respond back with the error message, and hopefully the LLM will then understand through the error message what's wrong with the code, edit it, and then send it back to the compiler. And after the loop is done, and then the diagram is generated, this is then going to send back to the user and being rendered through the front end.